Then maybe it's because I'm pure evil, and I can't help myself.
No. It's because you are hurt. Which means that there is a part of you that is human.
I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright, with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will.
I know that you're in love with me. And anybody capable of love is capable of being safe.
The love will hang on. And will we ever really get it right? I might be addicted to have you land up on your feet.
How could you possibly think that?
Because I've seen it.
Caroline? Caroline?